Okay, let us now start the third part of this topic, which is finding the x and y-intercept of the equation. Okay, hahanapin natin yung x-intercept and y-intercept. When you say x-intercept, this is the point wherein the line touches the x-axis, kaya nga x-intercept. And what about y-intercept? Y-intercept, likewise, as I said earlier, this is the point wherein the line touches the y-axis. So yun yung kaya the word intercept, which is kung saan magta-touch yung line sa x-axis at kung saan magta-touch yung y sa y, yung point sa y-axis. So yung line sa y-axis, rather. Now, so in finding, remember these are the basic rules. In finding the x-intercept, to find x-intercept, so gagawin mo, set y equals to 0. That's the basic rule to find the x-intercept. Now likewise, to find the y-intercept, intercept. So what will you do? Set x equals to 0. Okay. So let's say we're going to find the x and y-intercept of number 1. So let us find first the x-intercept. So 6x plus 2y is equals to 18. So I'm going to set x equals to 0. Ang ginagawa ng iba, pinag-cancel na lang yan. You-cancel this one. So ano ang makikira? That is 2y is equals to 18. And then divide both side by the common coefficient of y. Cancel mo yan. So y is equals to 18 divided by 2, that's 9. So ibig sabihin, the y-intercept, this equation is 9. It means also that the line will touch the y-axis at positive 9. So upper part yan. Now, what about finding the x-intercept? So 6x plus 2y is equals to 18. Now, again, set natin yung y to 0. So cancel mo yan. So makikita 6x is equals to 18. And then divide both side by 6, which is common coefficient of x. X is equals to 18 divided by 6, that is 3. Now, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, if this is your Cartesian plane, if that is your Cartesian plane, yan siya. Now, ilolocate mo siya. So, let's say, ito yung 9. Kasi nga sa y-intercept yan, di ba? 9 yan. Then yung 3 saan? 1, 2, 3 dito. So dito yung 3. Ibig sabihin yung graph mo, pag ganyan siya. Pag ganyan ang takbo ng graph. Okay? So negative ang slope mo kasi pag tinranspose mo itong 6x sa kabila, may yung negative yan. Ibig sabihin, this type of equation has what we call the negative slope. When we say negative slope, your line will be come from right going to left. From right going to from right papuntang kaliwa. That is what we call the negative slope. And di ba, in your book, you're going to define the kinds of slope. The negative slope, positive slope, and the undefined slope, and the zero slope. Okay? So let us continue our example for number 2. For number 2, we have now this one. So 3x minus 4y is equals to 12. Okay. Time. So let us find our y-intercept or x-intercept, y-intercept first. So let us cancel the 3x here. So may be negative 4y is equals to 12. And then divide both sides by negative 4, which is the common coefficient of y. So this is y is equals to, this is negative 3. So it means that the line of this equation will touches y at negative 3. Then, let us find the x-intercept. So, 3x minus 4y is equals to 12. So, let's set y to 0. So, this becomes 3x is equals to 12. And then divide both sides by 3, which is the common coefficient of x. Answer this one is x, and this is 4. Now, again, your x-intercept is 4 and your y-intercept is negative 3. So let us draw the graph. Sketch natin yung graph. So negative 3, dito yan, 1, 2, and 3. And then 4, dito rin siya, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So ito yun. So this would be your graph. Now, so this graph contains what we call the positive slope. Kasi your line came from left going to right. But left to right. It is what we call a positive slope. Positive slope. Kasi if you're going to look the equation, your equation, so makakancel mo yan dito, ito yung magiging positive. Magiging negative ang slope mo dyan. Magiging negative. Okay? Maliwanag po? So from left, going to right. Okay. So that is for example number. Now, let us go to example number 2. Example number 2. So we have here 2x minus y is equals to 8. Again, solve for y intercept. So this is 2x. Hassle mo yung 2x dyan, magiging negative y is equals to 8. Kasi hindi pwede maging negative yung y dyan, ililipat yung sign sa kabila. So y is equals to negative 8. So that will be your y intercept. Now solve for the x-intercept. 2x minus y is equals to 0. Sorry. 8. Set y to 0. Cancel mo yung y dyan. So magiging 2x is equals to 8. And then divide both side by 2. Just the coefficient of x is equals to 4. Now, let us sketch the graph. This is the Cartesian plane. Yan. Okay, y is negative 8. So, dito yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan siya. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, maaaring ganyan yung line mo. So, again, what kind of slope is this? This is also a, ano siya? This is also a negative slope. Or positive slope rather. Kasi from left going to right. That's a positive slope. Okay? So that's all for this portion of that topic. Okay. So let us now discuss the more complex topic in this of this portion or of this lesson. So what if you're going to find the equation of a line given 2 points? So in number 1 we have negative 1, negative 2, and other points is 3 and 4. So the formula that you're going to use will be this one, no? So all you have to do is to use this. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to y sub 1 minus y sub 2. And then x sub 2 rather, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 rather. Pareho rin naman yan. Then x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Pareho naman yung unang mauna, ganun din yan. So this is x minus x sub 1. Okay. Now, pipili ka ng points dyan. So, ang pinakamaganda piliin is lagi yung first point para hindi kayo malito. So all you have to do is write down here the legends. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Para hindi kayo malito. Okay, this is y. So, para the pattern, y minus y sub 1 will be negative 2. Yun na, minus negative 2 is equals to, your y sub 2 is 4 minus negative 2. And then your x sub 1 is, x sub 2 rather is 3 minus negative 1. Yan. And this is x. Your x sub 1 should be minus negative 1. Siya. So ito magiging positive na yan kasi dalawang negative. So y plus 2 is equals to, this could be 6 and this is kasi magiging positive yan, dalawang negative, ito may 4 and then ito na siya. So this is x plus 1 kasi magiging positive yan. So almost ito na siya, no? So ito na yung ano niya. So y plus 2 is equals to 6. So i-reduce natin siya. This could be 3 over 2x, kasi yung multiply niya pa gano'n, plus 3 over 2. Yan. O bakit naging gano'n? Kasi pag na-reduce mo to, Itong 6 over 4 magiging, ano yan, magiging 3 over 2. Yan, i-multiply mo siya pag gano'n. Kaya naging ganyan yan. And then pag isahin mo lang siya, pwede mo siyang pag-isahin. So y plus 2 is equals to 3x plus 3 over 2. Pwede ganun yan. Kasi, diba, you add, pag pareho ng denominator, you're going to add a fraction. And then, i-multiply mo yan doon. So, magiging 2, then y plus 2 is equals to 3x plus 3. So, this is 2y plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 3. And then, ilipat mo pareho. Ito ilipat mo yan doon. So, magiging negative 3x plus 2y is equals to 3 minus 4. Okay, it's not dito ha, 3 minus 4. So this would be negative 3x plus 2y is equals to negative 1. Now, kapag negative 1 yun nandito, i-multiply mo sila pareho by negative 1. Negative 1 to, negative 1 yung kabala. So magiging ano yan, 3x minus 2y is equals to 1. So yan ay equation. That will be your equation. So it means that these points will give an equation such as this one. Okay. Upon solving the 2 points. Ang tawag yan 2 points in a line. Okay? Okay? So, let us go now to the next number. Raise natin to. So let us leave the formula there. Now, we have these points, negative 2, 2, and then 1, negative 10. So, following the formula, so y minus, y sub 1 mo dyan, what will be your y sub 1? That is 2. 2. And then, y sub 2 mo is negative 10. Yan na, negative 10 minus 2. It's negative 10 minus 2 over x sub 2 mo is 1 minus negative 2. 1 minus negative 2, that's x sub 2 and x sub 1. And then, this is x. Your x sub 1 should be minus negative 2. Yeah, yun siya, minus negative 2. Ito yung x sub 1, it's x sub 1. This y minus 2 is equals to, that's negative 12 over 3. And this is x. So, ganyan, maging positive na yan. So, plus 2. So, this is y minus 2. And this is negative 4. And x plus 2. Then, multiply natin ito. So, y minus 2 is equals to negative 4x minus 8. Okay? So, y is equals to, so, pag dito, pwede mo siyang gawin in slope form, no? Y is equals to negative 4x minus 2 ay minus 8 plus 2. So, make it positive yan. So, y is equals to negative 4x minus 6. Yan, pwede na yan. Kasi slope form yan, ano? Slope form equation. Pero pag gagawin mo siyang intercept form, gagawin mo, ililipat mo yung ano sa kabila, itong 4. So, magiging ano yan? Ito siya, y is equals to negative 4x minus 6. So, magiging 4x plus y is equals to negative 6. Almost the same. So, this is the slope form and this is the intercept form.